Welcome guys, today I'm going to be walking you through on how you can create a Google Play console account of an organization. So it's very simple, so just follow the steps and you get to know it. So this is it. We're going to select our organization type, which is a company or a business. Then click on get started. So the next thing is that you have to use a DUNS number. So to get that, just message me privacy. So it's very cheap price I'm selling it, so just message me for the DUNS number. So let's continue. So I'm going to show you, so you have to choose a developer name. So I'm going to show you how the DUNS number works. So you can just message me, look the description of this video, you see my number there, just message me on WhatsApp. So let me just use a random. Just so you have to create or select a payment profile. So as you can see, this is a DUNS number right here. So I just have to cover it. So right here I just have to cover it, so you can just, so you can also create new payment profile. So once you click on create new, it will actually show you to enter the DUNS number you want to use. It's just a 9-digit character long, so you just have to enter it. So just enter your DUNS number. So I'm going to cover this. So let me just paste and click on next. So my DUNS number has already been created, as you can see right here. So I just have to cover the information. To get your own DUNS number, just message me using the link in the description of this video. So click on confirm. So you are all set. Your payment profile was created and added to your account. So just click on got it. So the next thing, you are going to click on next. So you have to select your employee types. So fill all this information. It's something very simple. So you just have to put your phone number, let's say +234. This is my number. You can message me through on WhatsApp. So you can just message me through this on WhatsApp. So you have to input the organization phone number again. Just fill all this information as needed. So you can also message me if you need an application. I can create an application that will be verified by Google Play Console. If you need DUNS number, so anything you need, just message me. I can create a website for you. Anything. I can give you 20 tester. Just message me for the price. Check the link in the description. I can do so many things for you. Just ask me and it shall be done. And also, if you have old Google Play console accounts that you want to sell, so I'm buying old console accounts also from 200k upward, depending on how maybe the app live on how old the account is. So I'm buying old console accounts. Message me now. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment what you want, and also message me for anything that you are bothering about. Thank you.